Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to use ChatGPT version 4 for free. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to use ChatGPT version 4 for free. It is because you have heard the ChatGPT version 4 is the most strongest one yet. Or maybe you think there's too much limitation on the ChatGPT 3, so you want to experience the ChatGPT 4 but it is paid and you want to use the free version of it. Or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So to use the ChatGPT version 4, what you have to do is you just have to simply go to a Google Play Store or App Store, and from there you have to install an app which name is Bing, because on Bing ChatGPT 4 is 100% free, and from there you can easily access it. So just start installing the Bing. It will just take a while, and after that it will be installed, and from there you can easily access the ChatGPT version 4 for free. After that, just simply click on open to open the Bing. Once you open it, it will take a while, and after that it will ask for few permissions. Maybe allow it or don't allow it. After that you will get into this page and click on this option, get started, and your account will be ready. Now you can access to Bing and can access to ChatGPT 4. So now you could see we have 5 options at the bottom. You have to select this middle one. Now we just got into the ChatGPT version 4. This actually works as same as the ChatGPT 3, but the best thing is that it is more strong, it has more capabilities, and it works better. It provides you better information, up to date information, and the realist information possible. So you can either use your keyboard, and you could also use the mic to speak, and then it will write. So here you just have to simply ask for it to anything. Right here I'm asking to it. As you can see, you just have to simply type it, and once you're done typing, what you have to do is you just have to simply click on that arrow which is along with our text, this one. Here I asked it. It will just take a while to process your question and gather information from all around the internet and will answer me. So here it is said that it couldn't answer me because I didn't clarify my question. So here I have to again ask it with more clarification, with more directions. So it happens sometimes that it didn't answer us due to any problem. So in that case, what you could do is you just simply ask your question with some more clarity, with some more explanation, so that the computer understand it and could find the information related to it all over the internet, and then it will answer you. So here I asked it again, and it is now again taking few seconds, and once that duration completes, here you can see now it is now giving me answers like that. So that's how you could also use the chat gpt version 4 for free on being on your mobile phone without paying any amount. Now you can save its answer, you can also make your assignments, your projects, you can use it for your social media stuff, like you can create content from it and can paste it on social media. You can do whatever you want to do here. This was the easiest way I know through which you can access to ChatGPT version 4 for free. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.